Hey everyone, want to learn prompt engineering as a successful engineer? How to start and where to start? Yes, a super easy techniques and step-by-step process I'm trying to explaining you in this simple and small video lecture to save your more time to understanding and learning prompt engineering techniques. First you need to understand what is ChatGPT AI model. Yes, OpenAI, how it will works, how you can get an information and how you will utilize this information for your future projects. And learn a programming language standards from the scratch. Fundamentals you have to be very keenly observe and learn step-by-step process of fundamentals if which you like more comfortable in your programming language. It might be Python, Java or C#, PHP or any other programming language. And learn a great standard library examples using prompt engineering prompts to learning and understanding how to apply this to your real life. Yes, by understanding and learning these prompts to getting code, integrating and creating and building real-time projects, by making more prompts and getting the code and creating real-time project-oriented prompt solutions and fixing. This way you have to test your code keenly and understanding to build more projects, fine tune, getting a clear information what is your requirement, according to your requirement, get the prompt engineer like using the prompts to OpenAI techniques to get a source code and apply this source code to your real-time projects and make the solutions you will be perfectly suited in prompt engineering. Do you think, am I non-coding background? Will I be possibly to do prompt engineering? Yes, you can. Want to try more? Find the below link.